it does is it allows us to program in what screens we would like to see the front panel scrolling through after no push buttons have been pressed. So after this time has elapsed, it will begin to scroll through this number of pages, whatever you select, and your choices of the different screens. The automatic enunciator recall, if this is enabled, will automatically disable the rolling screen and jump straight to the enunciator panel with the abnormal alarm on it. Another feature that we have here is the screensaver intensity. So after this amount of time, whatever's been programmed here, the intensity to save the screen will be reduced to this amount of intensity.